we are here at Imagica, said to be one of the best theme parks in India. This one is between Pune and Mumbai. We decided to come at this time because we expect the crowds to be a lot lesser now. We expect to have a fun day, and I'm here with my family.
Hey, it's awesome, Arushi. And after one whole year of lockdown, we've finally come to a theme park, and I'm so excited. And I'm excited to all the roller coaster, and I'm gonna start with doing that roller coaster first. It just looks so cool. And yeah, I can't wait. Let's go.
So we just came from the Scream Machine. This was our first ride. It was very scary. Easily one of the scariest rides which I have ever done. Especially when it goes up, and then you're looking down and falling. It is very scary.
In my opinion, the ride wasn't as scary. Like from the start, I was not scared. But when I sat on the ride, I got scared. But after I started, I was completely fine. I was much more braver than these two. They were completely scared. But I really loved this ride. But I think it could have been a bit more faster, in my opinion.
Bit more faster.
It could have been a bit more.
I'm very fear of heights, so now I'm fearless of heights.
Wow. This is the point. And then you look down.
And we literally just dropped down like that.
Okay. Stop recording it. Looking at it, I'm feeling very scared.
Now it's time to go another one.
So we did the Alibaba Challenge show right now. How was it, Arushi?
It was really fun. It was really cute, and we got to shoot a lot of thieves, and it was really fun.
So this is a family ride where everybody can sit and you just need to shoot the 40 thieves which keep popping up here and there. It's a lot of fun. I think I shot more. मैंने ज़्यादा गोली चला.
I definitely
मैंने ज़्यादा
Everyone
गोली.
took credit for my shootings. It was I did more shootings.
इस ride की waiting time थी only 15 minutes. I think the previous ride also we were there was also 15 minutes.
15-20 minutes.
We are trying to take only rides where the waiting time is less because then by
have to do more rides.
the first 3-4 hours we would have felt we've done some bit of rides. Instead of standing on a queue जिसमें शायद आधे घंटे या 45 मिनट टाइम लगे तो आपको लगेगा कि पार्क में 2 घंटे आ चुके सिर्फ एक ही राइड हुई है. नेक्स्ट हम जाएंगे पता नहीं कहाँ. देखते आगे उस तरफ कहीं हम जाएंगे. चलिए.
Go! So we just finished the Mr. India ride, which is this one. It was so cool. It was like a 4D ride.
झकास bro.
We were on this like car, and we were going and helping save children with Anil Kapoor and Sridevi.
बेटी सोनम इतनी ज़्यादा ना बोला करो.
It was so fun, and it's a family ride, so you can do it. You can go with your family and
इधर
everyone
क्या है
enjoyed.
फैमिली राइड है. सब कर सकता. अपन बहुत यंग ऐसा रम पम.
And yeah, Mukambo was the villain.
Mukambo. खुश हुआ. It's a Mr. India themed ride, so you have Anil Kapoor, Sridevi, and Amrish Puri and Satish Kaushik's voice all along the ride. It's a fun ride. Mukambo.
Kushua.
So we completed 2 rounds now. We saw the box theatre motion box theatre, and we saw I for India. Both of them are 4D shows. The good part about Imagica is that there are multiple shows which are completely 4D, which means an aged person can also see, kids can also see. Now this is very different from what we see in a Disneyland or in a Universal Studios, where there are typically only 1 to 2 4D shows or 5D shows. Here there are at least 4 or 5 4D shows, which are, one is you enter an AC environment, it's quite hot outside. The one thing I felt about Imagica is that many of the rides are closed, disappointingly, because of post-COVID. And on a weekend it's crowded. So what is happening is some of the good rides are having lots of crowd, which has 45-minute type waiting. The best advised is come on a weekday, a Thursday or a Friday. Of the last 2 4D shows, I liked I for India a lot. What did you feel?
I like I for India, as it really showed India and showed parts of India which we have never seen.
The one sad part is that they didn't show much of East India
part.
or Northeast India or Madhya Pradesh also. In fact, I thought most of it what was shown was North India, South India,
and
a bit of and West India. I think that there literally half of India has been covered. But then I guess that's the beauty of India, that no matter how long a show you do, you will still not cover entire India. One question: what were the 3 thoughts in your mind when you saw this video?
First is I definitely didn't expect so many places. Like there were so many places I had never even heard of or didn't know existed. So that, and it was really pretty. And there was a lot of scenery and just seeing all. They showed clips of people and just seeing people from different cultures, like how they would do in the Jama Masjid, which is a mosque.
Exactly.
Or
The Jama Masjid shot from top, where all the people are praying,
It was
is
during
excellent.
Eid. It was-
And then the snake boat race also, where lots of people in Kerala
That
crowding.
was-
3 places which you want to go after you see this video, because we both are travelers, but we have barely covered 30% of India.
This place we can actually go not, but it's the Flower Valley of Uttarakhand.
Flower Valley, Uttarakhand,
That
high
looked
five.
So
That is the
pretty.
number 1 in my list.
That looked so pretty.
Number 2,
Then
Kashmir is on my list. Number 2.
Kashmir, I definitely want to. And I also want to go and witness the boat race in real life. I just think that's really cool.
Yeah.
And I want to see the golden temple.
Funny thing is, we've been to Kerala many times. We've never seen the boat race. We saw
which-
the Chinese fishing nets and other places, but
The boat race looked really
Golden
nice.
Temple Amritsar is in my list, and Northeast is in my list, which was not showed yet. But I for India is definitely a show you will feel extremely vibrant and versatile, and love for this beautiful land called India if you see that show.
Time to go ride roller coasters.
Roller coaster or the saucer or the food. What do you do now?
I think roller coaster.
No food.
Yeah.
I'm hungry. So we had a heavy buffet here. The buffet here is priced at around 400 bucks. It is a very good buffet and all the dishes were good. Some of us had the pav bhaji, somebody had the chicken, somebody had the dal rice and the curry. It was great. But the problem was immediately after this ride, we did one more boat ride and my daughter insisted that
We
do this
finally
one.
go on this one.
We finally go on this one. This one is scary. It is bloody scary, particularly me, a father with 2 kids, sitting on that. That was not easy.
But this has to be my favorite ride in Imagica. It was so fun and so cool. The part where we go upside down, that was my favorite part. Like, I love this ride. I'd go on it again.
The thing is that when we came in initially at the park at 10:30, this ride had a 40-minute waiting queue. But that time we decided not to do this ride because we knew during the evening some of these rides the queue ends. So at this time, which is around 5 o'clock in the evening, there's just a 5-minute queue. So it's a good time for anybody to come and do the heavy rides now. As long as you have digested your food. The part, I started getting very scared and I really started thinking of both my kids next to me. And then when it falls from the top, that is the most dangerous.
And yet the best part.
Come on, it's the most dangerous
I
part.
love that.
Now, suddenly the speed increases.
And like listen to their scream.
Yeah, and then they put up and down and upside down. Your entire body gets twisted 10 times. I think this one is. I'm not going to sit on this one ever again.
I would.
Perfect. Right, so this another smart decision we did was Salimgarh, this haunted fort. We came at 11 o'clock. It had a 40-minute waiting time. We didn't go then. And we've come now, it's a 0-minute waiting time. We just went in.
We just went in and
And it is a very scary fort.
this ride scared me way more than the roller coasters. It was so scary and everything is fake, but it just scares me. And
You're going through a dark alley in the dungeon, and somewhere from the dark,
It's
a skeleton comes in, something is falling on you.
it's supposed to be a torture fort, so they show like the guys being tortured, and that's supposed to scare you. And suddenly ghosts kind of pop out. It was just scary. I honestly think this was scarier than the other ones, in my opinion.
So
This is
it's
scarier.
5. No, I was more scared with that because I felt feared for my life.
This is the scariest one I've been in Imagica.
Okay, so it's 5:30 now. Let's see what more we can do. So Arushi, what's your view of Imagica?
It's really fun. So I think we should have come on a weekday where there was less crowds and there was more rides open. But overall, I enjoyed it. I did.
This is definitely bigger than Universal Studios. This is quite as big as Disneyland's. I mean, we've been to theme park in Spain, in Bangkok, in Hong Kong, in Singapore. This is quite up there. It's quite good.
Yeah.
One thing you all learned today, Mogambo.
Kushua.